What up, people?
Good afternoon, and welcome
To a hot and
muggy.
and hazy Washington.
Yep.
Fires monkey.
Today we are easy hike to Kalama Falls to cool off. Up here past Merle Lake, up almost to Cougar, Washington, Southwest Washington, our backyard pretty much. We got a
We found a camp spot.
yeah.
Yay.
Yep. So yeah, we're gonna go cool off at the falls because it's hot. Ah. Is it hot, Logan? It's hot. It's hot. It's hot.
It's hot.
Update. It's hot. We got a river of sweat going down.
The only sweaty part of it.
1.13 miles in.
Yep.
25 minutes.
Bruh.
Bruh.
Feels good, huh?
I didn't think the water would be that cold. I mean, I knew it was gonna be cold, but
Hold up.
looks so much better out here. Alright, we enjoyed our little over an hour at Kalama Falls. Definitely cooled down. The weather's a lot nicer down here than it is back on trail, but we gotta get back to our campsite and set up, make some dinner, drink some beers, get out our hammock chairs.
Hammock chairs and beers.
Oh,
Time to relax. All right. Back on the trail.
deuces.
Bye. We're back.
And we're back.
I didn't call it.
Boom. We're campered up here.
Except for one of the...
Oh yeah.
Mississippi.
Yeah, look at that.
Now all the light colors.
Logan's got the remote.
Okay.
Watch out now.
Yeah, beautiful night. It's finally starting to cool down.
Oh.
Oh, just look at that. Perfection.
Snowman.
Next two stories, the first one was when I was like 6. Good morning.
Happy Sunday.
We out. We're all packed up. Ready to go home.
It's hot, Todd.
It's getting hot. Let's get
It's
home.
already warm.
Yep. Well, thanks for
Had a great night.
yeah. Thanks for joining us on our B&W adventure and our favorite spot and our favorite weekend.
Thanks for watching.
Bye. Bye.
Hot Todd.
Hot Todd. Frickin' Todd. Why can't I be cool, Todd?
Todd.
Always hot Todd. Why can't I be cool, Todd?
If it was hot Todd, we could have a hot toddy.
Oh, because he likes to party. Are we there yet? Are we there yet?
Oh,
Are we
and
there
this
yet?
hike is literally just walking down the road. It's
This
not
is-
even really a
Let's
hike.
walking down with like a little bit of in the trees. And then boom.
But it's so pretty.
If you go back to one of our earliest videos we have on our YouTube channel, smash it.
Smash that like.
You will
and subscribe.
you'll see us walking there in April,
And like
something like that.
when it was super cold.
Oh yeah. we
Yeah,
did
that was
in the
cold.
wintertime.
Yeah.
This is our winter.
It was
Hike.
very, very cold.
Yep, this is our
Like,
winter hike because
sweatshirts on.
we're low elevation. We're only at
Green,
about
remember?
2,000 feet,
Oh yeah.
so easy.
I
Didn't
like
even stretch my legs.
never
But this
sweatshirt,
fall,
never sweatshirt.
we're gonna try some new, like maybe coastal hikes. Wintertime coastal hikes.
Yep.
Since there will be no snow, because we don't really do snow stuff.
Well, we all saw what happened when we went in snow that one time up on the Tootle Trail up there.
Yeah.
There was no trail. We got to make our own trail.
Although, I do really want to try snowshoeing this year. Maybe. I think it would be fun.
Not to.
You guys, snowshoeing.
on camera now.
Cut it.
No,
Cut it.
no,
No.
we're using it.
Cut.
We're using
Got
it.
it.
We're using that. We're using the. Hi guys.
Hey guys.
Yeah.
Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. No.
Oh, we're using it. Yeah. Yeah. Well, yeah. You'll see it on YouTube.
Whoa.
We're not mentioning the negative that forestry worker, I'm not saying who, we don't know who, stopped at the road over there, grabbed our paper plate that said Camp Herd.
It wasn't hurting anything.
Hurting.
It wasn't hurting anything. All right. And then she drove off.
She took it away.
What the heck? We're over here slaving, picking up
Other people's garbage.
other people's garbage.
We're doing our part, and we would have taken it down when we were done.
Oh my god, I think the lady just passed.
No, that wasn't it. They had a forestry. They had a forestry thing on the side. That's why she stopped. I'm like, oh, it's a forestry lady. I thought she was gonna stop and say, hey, remember no campfires? I'm like, I know. It's hot. It's humid.
Nobody needs a fire up in here.
We don't need no fire. We're good. She's just gonna be okay. But hey, whatever.
Sleeping
alright.
bullshit.
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Okay.
And end scene.
Wow. Crazy.
End scene. End it. Just freaking end it already. No.
Goodbye.
How many times are you gonna do that? It's not working. Logan, do it.
Bye.
Nice big 1963 black Cadillac. And we know all this because they were interviewed. So it's all before we know the makes and models of cars, whatever. There's a knock on the door.
I have a last bite. My mouth was too much.
Ill-fitting suit. Dark colored suit.